Hi there. Today we will learn how to block Facebook from all the browsers in your PC. Just a simple trick will not let anyone to use Facebook at all in the computer. So, let's begin. Go to Start. Type Notepad. Right-click and run as administrator. It's very important. Now simply from File, come to Open. Go to C drive. Then Windows. Next, System 32. Drivers. Finally, etc. Come to this drop-down and choose All Files. Now select Host. And open it. Simply scroll down. And paste this code shown. Then type facebook.com with www at the starting. When done, come to File and Save. It's checking time. I am on Chrome. Facebook.com, it's not working. Okay. Now Firefox. Facebook not working too. Edge browser. Nope. So, this is how you can easily block Facebook from your PC browsers as well as other websites too. Again, if you want to re-access Facebook, then simply come to this host page and remove the facebook.com. Facebook will again be working. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.